guys, welcome to our channel. This is Pavitra from NAATI CCL.com.au. So our today's conversation will be on what is NAATI CCL test. First of all, NAATI stands for National Accreditation Authority for Translators and Interpreters, whereas CCL stands for Credentialed Community Language. This test determines a candidate's level of accuracy in translating and interpreting in both languages, English and language other than English that you are going to sit for. Nepali NAATI CCL test is a test where candidates have to interpret both languages, one in English and another one in Nepali in our context, and this test determines a candidate's presence of mind and ability to interpret both speakers' statement clearly and correctly. In NAATI CCL test, you will hear a conversation between two individuals, which you will need to translate. You will get two dialogue sets, and each dialogue set is approximately about 300 words. Each segment, or let's say section, not long than 35 words. The test will be approximately 20 to 30 minutes long, which means you will get around 15 seconds for each segment or section. Nepali NAATI CCL isn't just about understanding of language, but it also examines the candidate's aptitude test of social culture understanding of Australia. Besides that, one must learn and understand Australian society and state systems as well as its ways of functioning. That gives the test taker background idea in which the Nepali NAATI CCL translation or interpretation exam is based on. Along with that knowledge, it is important to pay attention to your grammar, pronunciation, meaning of the vocabularies, and note-taking skills while interpreting. Now let's talk about why you should appear for NAATI CCL test. Applicants who desire to fulfill their dream of Australian PR can bag extra 5 points after successfully passing the NAATI CCL test. There is so much competition and it's really tough to increase your points, and these 5 points earned from NAATI CCL test are very crucial for you. NAATI CCL is not a tough exam like PT or IELTS. If a candidate really wants to pass NAATI CCL test, then he or she has to be confident in interpreting in both Nepali and English. For that, it's important to understand the social culture of Australia, as I told you before. It is not difficult to pass NAATI CCL test. If you work on your distortion, omission and paraphrasing and note-taking skills, then it's very easy to pass the test. That is the reason why NAATI CCL test has become very popular amongst the applicants who plan to take Australian PR since its introduction. Thank you for watching this video. If you want us to bring out such kind of informational videos, then please let us know in the comment section. Also hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Namaste.